Alright guys, so I got it all back together. It ended up being a oil restrictor in that 45. Well, at least that's what I believe it was. I won't know for sure until it does it again, but the problem has gone away. I've driven it a few times already. It drives amazing. So I ended up cleaning up the engine bay. I put a bleeder here, or an air filter there, so that there's no pressure going through my whole system. Oil restrictor, I don't have a 45 anymore, it just goes straight down and then right in. It's probably not ideal like that, honestly, so that's fine. I switched these out from the tubes to the stuff that I got from Amazon, and this stuff's a lot nicer and it forms better with the hood and it keeps air out a lot cleaner. So I just went all around with it on the tops. I gotta wash it, that's for sure, but I did wash the engine bay. It looks pretty clean. There's some dirty spots on it, but it's gonna happen. I took the screamer pipe off because I'm getting it ceramic coated for my guy, so hopefully that'll be back in a week or so. That's not too important. I'm not really going into full boost that much, so yeah. I do have a oil leak down here, which is pretty bad from the looks of it. You can't see where it's coming from, but it's most likely the front main, so I'm gonna have to go scoop through that. That's gonna be fun. And then this is growing on me, I'll tell you that. It doesn't look too bad from this angle. Come around, and I put on my finish panel again just because I just wanted a cleaner look. It's not too bad. Ties in really nice with the diffuser, but the only thing I really don't like is these mounts. But these are just temporary for now. They're not gonna stay forever. They're just there so that I can figure out if I want to keep this wing or not, or if I want to do anything. I might cut out the tips. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but those sit a little too much, and I might want to bring those down a little bit. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I do have the big old truck behind me, what I have. But I do have the finish panel that the guy from Greece makes, Pangos, something like that. So I'm gonna be getting that painted next week, or yeah, next weekend. My buddy, so we're gonna get it all lined up nicely, and we're gonna paint it. I do have to go over the bottom line here because obviously that's not the straightest line in the world. But yeah, probably gonna end up putting splitter rods or something similar instead of these stupid big old mounts. But yeah, or just cut them in half and rivet them on, something like that. So that's where I'm at. Nothing too crazy going on. Kind of just enjoying the car right now. There's a lot of problems with it. It has that oil leak, as you guys saw, and a few other things. But besides that, I'm just driving it around. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting that heat shield for it, so hopefully that'll come, or hopefully we'll be done that tomorrow, and I'll be making a video about that because that's pretty much the last thing that's on my list of worries besides the brakes. And yeah, because I cut the lines while I was cutting out the engine bay bit for a downpipe. Yeah, man, the car looks amazing. I mean, look at it. I like the top mount for the turbo. Looks way better than anything else. You can see it. Just look at that. It looks so good. It's definitely what was missing in the Miata originally. God, I love how that looks. I just can't get enough of it. But yeah, there's lots of problems, lots of things I gotta do. Oh, and my fuel pump. Can't forget that. That, and then a catalytic converter because mine's gone. Then that's pretty much it before I go get it tuned again, just for this turbo setup. I'm not gonna dyno, I'm just gonna get it tuned so that I can drive it, you know, reasonably and not have to worry at all. squeaky clean for once. I actually cleaned the car. Can you believe it? Looks good. Nice and shiny for once. Oh, getting dirty already. As I almost fall. Look at that. Whew, she clean. My hand would stay still. You guys can see a lot better. Look at that shine. Oh. Makes me wonder why I don't clean it more often. Jeez, that just looks so good. Front end view, of course. Boom. Jeez, I can sit here and talk about it all day how good this looks. I gotta lift that up a bit, but that's not a problem. But yeah, there she is, all washed. Looking good for once, believe it or not. I actually washed it. But yeah, that's probably gonna be today's video. Nothing much really going on today. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.